This is definitely a consumer alert that all should be aware of. You may have noticed some unusually large watermelons and kiwi fruit on the shelves lately. China's largest base of these fruits has fallen into a scandal, as farmers are overusing growth chemicals in an attempt to make extra money for their enhanced weight. The chemicals are also being used in other countries, who are the top producers of the world of these fruits. The farmers spray fluorphenol, a growth accelerator, during overly wet weather, which makes the melons burst, CCTV said, citing agricultural experts should be aware that fluorphenol is also registered for use on grapes, raisins, and kiwi in the United States, Chile, Egypt, Israel, Mexico, New Zealand, South Africa, Turkey, Canada and Europe. What is fluorphenol? Fluorphenol is a cytokinin, that is, it's a substance that promotes cell division and delays cell death. FCF acts on septins, which are key factors in mitosis, cell division. That function results in larger and exploding fruit. The application of excess FCF prompts cells to divide more rapidly. That's a cancer-like function. Of course, the greater multiplication of cells produces bigger fruits, but that excess growth is not necessarily accompanied by adequate nutrients. Therefore, the stability and nutritional quality of the fruit tends to deteriorate. According to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency's pesticide fact sheet, fluorphenol causes inflammation, growth retardation, emaciation, and increased mortality in rats tested. Look out for white seeds in watermelons. Most watermelons sold at wholesale markets are believed to have been treated with fluorphenol. Telltale signs are fibrous, misshapen fruit with mostly white instead of black seeds. But the report underscores how farmers are abusing both legal and illegal chemicals, with many farms misusing pesticides and fertilizers. How to spot fruit grown with growth-accelerating chemicals. One of the telltale signs of a fruit or vegetable that hasn't been grown by entirely natural means is their inherent lack of flavor. It may look plump and ripe, but once you bite into it, it's anything but a flavor sensation. This is because while growth enhancers like fluorphenol stimulate cell division, making the fruit grow faster, it also drains it of flavor. This is actually rather logical if you think about it. Flavor is a sign of ripeness, which only comes with time. Many unripe fruits and vegetables are virtually tasteless. In the case of watermelons, those treated with fluorphenol are very large and brightly colored on the outside, but the color of the flesh is more white than deep red. Other telltale signs are white instead of black seeds and fibrous and misshapen fruit. Note, this is for regular watermelons, which have black seeds. Seedless watermelons typically have tiny white seeds.